right, 2025, 2026 Toyota Sequoia oil life reset. All right, so we just changed the oil today, and we're gonna scroll over, use these buttons right here until you get to the gear symbol right there, and go down to where it says vehicle settings. Okay, you're gonna push and hold down OK. That's gonna allow you into vehicle settings. Now we just changed the oil today, so we're not gonna reset right here what says scheduled maintenance. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna do oil maintenance because that's all we did. So we're gonna press OK and hit reset. Okay, and that's gonna reset our oil changes. That's gonna go off every 5,000 miles. We should get a reminder. I'm only at 3,975, so plus 5,000 miles, it should tell me. Now, the other one, the vehicle maintenance one, scheduled maintenance, that was going to be for a little longer of a service reminder. Okay, to take it in and have them do other services to the car. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another video.